Hello everybody, welcome to this edition of Winter Boat Work. I'm Brad Arrington down here on my Back Cove 37, and I'm continuing on my project of resealing my hull to deck seam from my pilot house to the main deck, and I'll show you where I am now. The last time I finished a little bit around on that side, so I've gotten around the pilot house across the front, and I'm starting to just rounded the corner and started working on the way over there. So like I mentioned before, I'm still using my Milwaukee M12 oscillating tool. I love this tool. It's one of my most used tools in my bag of many tools I have. I wanted to show you the profile under the front deck is a little bit different than on the side. So on the side where it was more flat and then it kind of came on an angle, this one overhangs quite a bit, so you need to use a little bit different technique here. Again, here we're going to come in on an angle here and make this initial cut, but you can see this is much more rounded and overhang, so you have to do a little bit more of a cut up into underneath that overhang to get that material out. And you can see it's also pretty thin under there, so not all of the material is coming out easily. So what I found that is working very well to get that little bits of material out from under here to get a nice clean surface to reseal is a little brass brush I picked up at the hardware store. I got a pack of different types of brushes, but what I've been doing is just kind of putting this in here and running along and kind of scooping out the material that's in there. I'm getting a lot of debris out of there, so it's working really nicely to clean out this joint and get it ready, and then I'll come back with some solvent of some type and clean this up. But you can see, kind of in here, this is black. I definitely had sealant failure in here. There was dirt getting down and the sealant pulled away pretty easily. So definitely time to reseal this joint, and I'll be continuing around the side all the way around to the back of the boat.